Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate without cocoa powder. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite milk, 4 ounces of good quality chocolate, either chopped or in chips, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar or another sweetener. A tiny pinch of salt, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, really makes the chocolate pop. And for an extra layer of flavor, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract is wonderful. Now, let's gently warm our milk. Pour about 2 cups of milk into a small saucepan. Place it over medium-low heat. The goal here is to get the milk warm, but not boiling. You'll see small bubbles forming around the edges when it's ready. Stir it occasionally to ensure even heating and to prevent a skin from forming on top. This step usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Once your milk is warm, it's time for the star ingredient, the chocolate. Add your 4 ounces of chopped chocolate or chocolate chips directly into the warm milk. Stir continuously with a whisk or spoon until the chocolate is completely melted and smoothly incorporated. This gentle stirring ensures a silky, lump-free texture. Keep the heat low to prevent the chocolate from seizing or burning. This step takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, let's perfect the flavor. Stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar or your preferred sweetener, along with that tiny pinch of salt and the 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give it a good stir to combine everything. Taste it and adjust the sweetness if needed. Once it's just right, carefully pour your delicious, homemade hot chocolate into your favorite mugs. Serve it immediately and enjoy this rich, comforting treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.